Hello, hope you well. Here is the update for your new site. This is your description. First of all, you mentioned about this service section. You can see this is the home page and this is the service section. You can change right now the icon, and also you can add a link to the title, and also if you want to this is the button here. All things you can add link, okay, no problem here. This is the editable, and also you will find the style, typography for the title. You can see this is the typography. You can change the text, all things. For example, style, this is the capitalism, size, line height, and character spacing. Character spacing you can change, order spacing, all things here, okay. And also button in the right position. And second thing you mentioned about this one, here is the services. Also I also changed this text editable, as we mentioned in this area. You said that I can find the option that page can change the character spacing between fonts. I don't think so. It is available in right now. Here you can see the styles, and this is the typography. You can change the character spacing, word spacing, and another things you want change, okay. And that I mentioned, this option is the dynamically coming post from here is the query builder, okay. You can select the post. Right now there is no any selected post here. You mentioned this the news section also available. This is the news. Under the news you can see this post, but you want different here. If you want a different here, so you can select the category, you can select the query spacing, you can select the different post type here, service, member, and event, other post type here. You can see, for example, when I am selecting the service, you can see the different post coming from the service area, okay. Then the services come from the service post type. Yeah, here is the service post type, okay. And if you want to show different category, if you want to change only, if you want to show the only post but different category, so you can select the category from here, taxonomy, the category, and you can mention the category IDs post, okay. Under the post, under the contributors areas, you can see the categories here, category listing. Here is the category. You can add the category IDs, okay, if you want to change. But if you mention to me that I will add category, no problem, but you need to mention, you don't mention any category or post type you want to show here, but you want to show different, but different you can change from here. And also for the news, here is the news. Go to the edit with Elementor, and you can change the post type here from also, okay. Another thing I want to mention, that you are not changing the slug, post slug. For example, this is the previous post, hello world is a dummy content, but it's still available in your website. You mentioned, you can see this is the hello world post here, this is the hello world, but this is the dummy content, I think. Another one, the case grid, this is also a dummy, but you need to change with the news. If you available to change, then you can change from this one. For example, this is the page case grid and title with the news. Pages are available in this area. This is the case grid. I think you should change the news and news here. And if you want to change by me, then let me know. Okay, go to the description. So if you want change this one, I mentioned for you can change the case list from here. This is the query builder. You can see the post. Okay, post count here, and you also change the different post type you can add here. Another okay, let me know if you want to change this one, the option from my site. Okay, and another option you mentioned about this counting option area, counting area. Here is a counting area. You can see I have equalized the counting text with this right spacing. Okay, and also title I already mentioned. Another thing you mentioned, the extra content in the bottom. Right now there is no extra content, you can see. Okay, actually this option was extra plugin added here. I just deactivated the plugin called Instagram feed. Okay, and another thing you mentioned about the block, I have already mentioned this hello world is the dummy content you need to change, and I am showing you how to change the post, how to add a post. Okay, first of all you need to go to the contributions. This is actually this is a post in German language, this words, and English this one. If you want to add new post here, I recommend you that first of all you need to duplicate previous post. When duplicated this previous post, for example I am duplicating this here, and when I go to the need to change the title, and need to also for example new title. You should write new title here, and also put this one here. It will change the slug also. For example, you not change the slug. I have changed with your new post here. You can see this is the new design. Okay, the post content and tags, and then also comment with like the previous post. You can see another one. So that I want to say, the first of all you need to duplicate the post, previous any post should duplicate it, and go to the elementor with and then change the title and also the slug. Okay, I am changing the title. Sorry, I have added the new title here. And also new title I have put it down, and go to the edit with elementor. Okay, after that you should change the image from here. This is the content dynamically will come here, and also you can change the content. Okay, hope you understand how to change the post. I am removing this one because this is the dummy, and also I am removing this one because this is also a dummy post. Okay, this is the body care. And same this one also I already mentioned. Another thing, this is the footer. Okay, if you want to change the logo, I have changed already this one, but this is the I think this is not a correct logo for you in for this section, because this is the dark section. We need a light logo here, so you need to create a dark light logo to add here. To change the to change this logo, just hover over this area, and you can see the footer section. Footer, just click on the footer. Footer will open. This is the logo. You can change from here. Okay, you can link to the home with the custom linking. I think logo should link with the home page. Okay, and this is the footer. You can change the footer content from here also. Hopefully you got this point. If you have any doubt, any question, let me know. And if you want to change this area to any post type, let me know which post type, which post will show in which area. Okay, thank you.